Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Poseidon Fishing. Hi, everyone. How you doing this morning? It's an early morning rise for me today. Once again, very excited to go fishing. I'm now driving to this new spot that I got introduced to, and I'm kind of glad. I had a nice fishing day yesterday, caught a couple of fish, and they were nice size. Those fish were between 24 and 25 inches. I don't know what I did with the card this morning as I was switching cards from the camera. I thought I had this card and that card, and I started erasing. I might have erased a few scenes from that. I'm a little ticked, but hey, I'll have another scene up if I catch some fish today, and I am feeling pretty confident. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Low tide is just about now, and heading out. Going to be fishing with my bloodworms again. Grabbed them from the refrigerator in the garage this morning. They're doing just fine. Like I said, I spritzed them a little brine water from the river that I grabbed, and they soak that up or suck it up and get the nutrients out of that, so I can get a few extra days out of them. Anyhow, usually they don't last that long as far as that I use them. So, heading down, excited, once again very excited. Met a new fella again yesterday. I meet somebody new every day. I mean, like I said before, the commodity of it all, fishing, hanging out, meeting new people, doing the same thing I'm doing, which is fishing, and just having some good talk there. So anyhow, I'm very excited. The river's looking really nice this morning. I don't see it being too breezy out this morning. Actually, it's not. So ready to go. Had some breakfast this morning. The wife, since it's Saturday, she said, go fishing, don't worry about me. She wants to sleep late, that's what it is. I bother her in the morning a lot. Anyhow, she said she's probably going to come down and meet me later. A little excited. Also, when the wife comes, she's my best friend, actually. And due to the fact that Mr. Poseidon never had any kids in his life, not that we didn't want them, we wanted them. There were other factors involved, so it's just me and the wife. So that's all we got. And my friends are fishing. And again, subscriptions. I got a couple of new subscribers yesterday. And once again, I will say that getting new subscribers is fantastic. It makes me so happy to see that. Again, I'm not one of these guys that has thousands of subscribers, but I want to put out as best content out there as I can for you guys. I'm always hoping for the big one, just like everybody else out there. And with a little luck, maybe someday I'll get your big one, and I'll have it on my my YouTube page for you guys to see and enjoy, hopefully. So, should be there in a little while. I grabbed some coffee on the way down here this morning. I like my cup of joe in the morning. So once I get down there and I get all set up, I'll put you guys back on, and I will see you then. Until then, I am Mr. Poseidon, and see you in a bit, guys. Guys, Mr. Poseidon is back. I have set up my gear. It's about 7:30 in the morning. There's nobody here. It's partly cloudy. The sun is definitely rising, but it's behind the clouds. I'm getting ready to start fishing. I'm going to cast out, see what we can do this morning. All good. I'm excited. So, first cast of the day. Let's see what's going to happen. Let me wrap my finger first in some tape here, because I can't. My hands are actually kind of cold, and if I try to throw out that braided line, boy, I will be in pain. I will cut my finger. So I like to protect myself if I can ever get this tape off. But anyhow, I'll show you guys how I like to wrap my finger. Okay. So, show you how I wrap my finger here. So I like to go a little above in the beginning, and and then just wrap over like that. So now what I do is, since it's above, I like to fold it over a little bit like that and then go over it again. So this way I got a nice little wrap there going around, and this definitely helps. You know what, I don't even know what kind of tape this is. I bought it and I love it. It comes in pieces. It's a little clothy, but it stays on for the day. It does not come off. Water, everything. I've used this in the surf, so like I said, it does not come off, and that's why I really like it. So there we go. Nice, it's on, ready to go, and I can cast. Here we go, guys. Out there, I got the bells on this morning. See if we get a hit. I'm the only one here. I love being the first one anywhere, actually. And listen, I'll put you guys on if I'm on to anything. I'll definitely put you guys on. I'm just not gonna let the camera. This is a lot different than lure fishing, so I don't want you sitting here bored out of your minds like I might get in a little while. But anyhow, Mr. Poseidon's here, and I'll put you on if I got a fresh one. excited. I had a great day. 6 stripers total. 6. That's right, baby. They are coming in. The striper, the elusive striper. You know I'm happy, guys. I'm so happy right now. I also did catch a catfish, so it's official. It's a 7-fish catch day for me. Great time when you're catching and you're with your buddy. And I mean, the jokes are extra funny on these type of days. It is raining out there, as you can see, so that had partly to do with why I had enough today. I did get down there extra early. I gotta tell you, I got down there around 7:30. My line was in the water, and I had no bites, nothing, until 9:45. At 9:45, that's where it all started. I got my first bite, and from about 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, which was the last fish I caught, I got 6 stripers during that time. And I gotta tell you, it was all on the incoming. High tide was 1:32. I did get one bite at 1/4 after. I didn't catch, but the last fish I got was at 1 o'clock. What a great day. When these days hit, you're catching fish like that, man, is it extra special. My buddy Jay also, he got a few himself. It was a good day. All catches were between, I don't know, 22, 23 to tops being 24 and a half inches. I mean, one of the fish gave me such a bite. I really thought, I was saying to myself, I got a 27, 28 incher on the line here. Obviously, all fish went out. They're all free. They're all swimming out there for a better day. And I gotta tell you, follow the laws. Do the things that are right so these fish can be around for us. Make sure you got all your licenses or whatever you need for your towns, for wherever you fish. Make it all legal, and it's all a lot of fun, man. So much fun. I had a great time, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I put out for you on this one. But a good day, man. What a fun day it was. The whole time I was just like, it's gonna hit, bang, there was a hit, bang, there was another hit. I was like, wow, they are out there right now. And you know, swimming in that bunch of 23, 24, 25ers, you know there was a 30-plus fish out there. There was a 30-plus fish. Obviously, though, he did not go for my line today, so maybe another day. Always hoping to catch that big elusive striper that we all dream about. Guys, surf fishing, best thing you can ever do. I love it. I'm not downing boats at all. I'll be on a boat too. I'm only a bay guy. I can't handle the heavy offshore waters. I cannot do that. That's not me. I've tried that a dozen times. From drama meat to patches to everything you can imagine. Nothing has ever worked for me. So if I go out in the bay, I might do a boat trip out in the bay. A couple of my buddies got boats. So maybe we'll do a video off the boat one day. But for now, all surf fishing, and man, do I love it. I see another buddy of mine up there. He's parked in another spot. I'm gonna get off right now and see what he picked up there today, because I'm definitely seeing him. He's there. Oh yeah, it's always exciting now, man. I'm gonna go talk some fish stories with him. So guys, thank you very much for hanging with me. It was a fun time. Mr. Poseidon signing off, and remember, I am Mr. Poseidon. It was a great day. Thank you guys, and remember, subscribe to my channel. We'll have lots of fun together. Talk soon. Good times.